Snake nearly bites me where they find udara inside bush. A very long black snake. Maybe I'm not making any more. I say, I'm not udara. Eh? If to say this snake bites me now, wait till I go talk. Say I go inside forest to look for is it cherry fruit or udara? Which one they call them? And the fact that the sun is too, I must come on see baby. The fact that the sun is too hot. Eh? The point is what the guy if go more. I don't even know. I'm asking. Chalokwa. Chalokwa. I'm making me. Chalokwa. Oh, the quacker. Even like son, I don't follow wrong road. Okay. I'm on the right track. Hey. So guys, this is my village. I didn't mean this inside this bush is my village. I mean there are so many other beautiful views in my village, but I mean inside the bush. This is what it looks like in my village, you know. And I'm here I came to another tree. Oh. This is another tree. This is the third udara tree. I went to the first place. I went to the second place, and this is the third place. And guys, I couldn't find one single. I can't even find one single udara here. Oh. Now longer throat carry me enter this bush. Oh, cobwebs. I'm a cobwebs plenty. Now longer throat enter me or carry me come here. At the end of the day, I can't even boast of one fruit. Eh? Even in Kenacha self, the one that is not yet ripe, I can't even boast of. No, is it every minute, every second, scan down